Okay, and right here is the actual borderline. There's the plaque.
Need to travel to Mexico, but also need a convenient and cheap way to get there? The CBX Border Bridge is the way to go. In this video, we're going to show you all about the CBX Border Bridge. First of all, the CBX Border Bridge stands for the Cross Border Express, and it is a shortcut into Mexico. I'll show you exactly how to cross the CBX border from San Diego to Tijuana Airport, quick, easy, and stress-free. We're going to show you what the process is like from driving to the border, crossing the bridge, what the Tijuana Airport is like, and finally how to get back to your car. This is a round-trip ticket to adventure. We are currently on the USA side of the border and driving to San Ysidro over nearby what is the area called Otay. On the USA side is where you're going to drive and park your car. There are 7 different parking lots ranging from $20, which is a dirt lot, to $45 lot that is directly across from the entrance. For our trip, we picked the B lot. I like the B lot because the B lot is right by the exit, so you can get out of the CBX area later, but it does mean that you will have to walk around to the entrance, and again, there are no porters. We had a QR code with us, so we prepaid, so we just had to scan the QR code to get into the lot.
Well, that right there is the border, and there's the airport. So that's what will come in on the exit. Right here is where the bus comes to pick you up if you're going north. A lot of people use the bus service here. This is actually the exit that we're going in through. They have a shuttle service that comes every 30 minutes to go to San Diego, and then other places are more during the day, and others too that go to Riverside.
Once you get to the entrance of the CBX bridge, you have to have 2 things. You need to have a CBX ticket and a valid Tijuana Airport plane ticket. Both of these things will be scanned into the gate before it will open. This is also a good time to get your tourist card filled out if you don't already have one. Once you get through the turnstiles, just keep following the signs that point to TIJ, which means Tijuana, and you will eventually cross the official border and end up immediately into Mexican customs.
A little plaque that says we crossed. Okay, and right here is the actual borderline. There's the plaque. We are now through customs, and this is the regular check-in for the airport now that we're going down into.
Mexican customs is going to scan your luggage, but as soon as you go down the airport stairs, your bags will be scanned again. This time they are scanning for bags for carry-on. Once you get by that second scanning, the Tijuana airport is just like any other airport in the world. Find your gate and go. We had priority pass, so it allows us to have access to the VIP area, which is very comfortable, but don't get too comfortable or you might not get to your gate on time. That almost happened to us.
Barely made it.
That was not barely.
Yeah, it was.
We had time to repack the suitcase.
We got to the airport with lots of time, but somehow we managed to be the last ones on the plane.
Yeah.
This is the picture of the volcanoes of the Mexico City Valley. They are active volcanoes, so it is interesting to see them put clouds of smoke out. Once you arrive to Mexico, there will be no more customs because you already did that part on the bridge. Although remember, you still have the same carry-on restrictions that you would with any other airplane.
Okay, we just made it back to the Tijuana airport, so that ends this adventure. Hope you enjoyed it.
Coming back to Tijuana, all the signs that say CBX. Going out of Tijuana Airport, you might get stopped for a tourist card check. Make sure that you have the tourist card or stamp that you got at the beginning of your trip. Failure to have it is a $30 fine plus a hassle while they sort it all out. You will again need to use your CBX ticket and airplane ticket to use the CBX bridge on the way out. Make sure you stay to the right and stay inside the bridge until you cross over to the United States. Otherwise, if you exit early, you will be in the Tijuana airport on the Mexican side and you can't get back into the CBX area. If you were a foreigner to the United States, now is a good time to pay your I-95 form. If you're a USA citizen, get your passport book, card, or global entry ready. Go up and over the border and following the signs that say the United States. You will eventually find yourself in the United States custom area. Present your documents, get your luggage scanned again, and you will be in the exit area. Once in the exit area, you have to find the parking lot your car is in. A pro tip is to take a picture with your phone of the area around your car so you will know the way back. You must have the ticket or prepaid code you got when entering into the parking lot. If your parking is prepaid, just scan the code and you'll get out. If you need to still pay, you will need to pay by credit card. The gates will open and you can drive on home. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this will give you another quicker solution to cross over the Mexican-USA border, and it'll make your traveling easier. Happy travels and always stay curious.